Welcome to my channel, How to AI, where we discover powerful AI tools that can transform the way you work. In this video, I'll show you an AI tool that can save your time, increase productivity, and help you grow faster. Today I'm talking about Topaz Adjust AI 1.0.6. Topaz Adjust AI is an intelligent photo enhancement software powered by machine learning designed to transform ordinary images into vibrant, high-impact photos. Instead of manual tweaks, it automatically analyzes exposure and detail to apply smart enhancements in seconds, focusing on clarity and color vibrancy. It uses algorithms trained on thousands of professional images to intelligently balance improvements without creating artificial halos or artifacts. With built-in stylized presets, you can apply cinematic or modern looks instantly, ideal for beginners and pros wanting fast, high-quality output. Topaz's detail technology enhances fine textures without over-sharpening, separating texture from noise to maintain a natural, realistic look. The clarity technology improves local contrast while protecting highlights and shadows, making your photos look more three-dimensional. You also get full creative control with manual sliders, allowing you to fine-tune the intensity and structure after the AI processing. The software supports common formats like JPEG and PNG, along with many RAW file types, fitting seamlessly into professional workflows. For the best performance, it's recommended to run it on Windows 10 with at least 16 GB of RAM and a dedicated graphics card. Topaz Adjust AI is perfect for landscape and travel photographers, social media creators, and digital artists looking for speed and efficiency. Whether you are a professional or a casual creator, it's a reliable way to add emotion, depth, and life to your photos with minimal effort. Do not forget to subscribe my channel How to AI to stay tuned and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. See you in the next video.